All right, I want to show you one more video. If you look at this problem right here, it says order from greatest to least. All right, like I said, they might use the word descending. Okay, descending means going down. All right, those are all fraction, and you would put those in your calculator and change them to decimals. All right, the problem I do want to show you is it has these circles with numbers in them, and it really doesn't matter what's in the circle. We still have to change them in the calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 25 pi in the calculator. That's 25 pi, and we want the decimal, 78.53982. So 78.53982. And then we're going to put 21 pi over 2. So we're going to use the fraction, and we're going to put 21 pi over 2. And we want the decimal, 190.06. So 190.0663. Okay. Now I'm going to use this square root. Square root 12 pi. And I'm going to show the decimal 6.1. And then I'm going to use, and then negative 78 is going to stay the same. So it doesn't matter if they're in a circle or in a box, it's still going to ask for least to greatest, and we're going to break them down to decimals. All right, so the smallest number is going to be a negative. So I'm going to write negative 78. The next one is going to be 6.1, which is square root 12 pi. The next one is going to be 78.53, which is 25 pi. And then, of course, the last one, which is 121 pi over 2. Okay, now I'm going to give you some.